Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Jeep Wrangler tail lights. First, gather your essential tools, such as a Phillips head screwdriver and a trim removal tool. Next, open your tailgate to gain clear access to the inner side of the tail light assembly. You will then locate and carefully remove the two retaining screws positioned on the inside of the tail light housing. This initial step is crucial for a smooth removal process. With the screws removed, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but avoid excessive force. Exercise caution to prevent any damage to the wiring harness that remains connected. If the assembly seems particularly stubborn, a plastic trim removal tool can be very helpful to carefully pry it loose without scratching your paint. Now, with the tail light assembly partially detached, you will see the electrical connector. Locate this connector, which supplies power to your lights. There is a small tab on the connector. Press this tab firmly to release its locking mechanism. Once unlocked, carefully pull the connector straight off the tail light bulb housing. This step completely separates the electrical connection. Congratulations, the tail light assembly is now completely free from your Jeep Wrangler. Before reinstalling, take a moment to inspect the old gasket for any signs of wear or damage. Replacing a worn gasket ensures a proper seal. Remember, reinstallation is simply the reverse of these steps. Ensure all connections are secure and the two screws are tightened properly for a safe and functional tail light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.